Hi everyone, in this short video I would like to show you how you can assign books to the different classes that you've already uploaded in the new Digi platform. Click on the book button up here and you can manage your class by class group. I only have students right now in Spanish 1001, so I'm going to select that group. Just as a reminder, your students have access to all of the books that we have in our library in all 5 languages. So if you don't want them to have access to all of those languages, you'll need to go through and quickly toggle off. All of the books here are toggled off. Okay, for English, they're toggled off for Italian. Okay, this is what it looks like when it's toggled on. Toggle off for Italian, toggled off again for German, and for French, because my students will only have access to the Spanish books. These settings are saved each time, so you don't have to do this every time you log in. So moving over to the Spanish books. Now I have one student, and it happens to be my cat Bart. Sometimes he's advanced, so that's why I've toggled on the level 2 books for him. If after a couple more days of Spanish class he's ready for level 3, I'll just go in and toggle on the books that are for level 3. That way, Bart will have access to all of those books, and you can scroll down to see which books those are. If there's a particular book, for example, say I didn't want Bart to read ¿Qué pasó con el Jersey? I would just toggle off this one book. Okay? Say I wanted Bart not to be able to read about El Jersey at all, I would toggle off this book as well. Okay, so there's many ways that you can go through toggling and sorting the books for the students, depending on which books you want them to have available to them. Hope this helps.